The Y chromosome, a symbol of maleness, is shrinking. This tiny chromosome is on a journey of genetic downsizing. This is not just a scientific curiosity, it could have profound implications for the future of men and the entire human species. For millennia, the Y chromosome has been the biological flag-bearer of maleness. It dictates the development of male characteristics. To understand the shrinking Y chromosome, we need to take a journey back in time. Imagine, if you will, the primordial soup of life billions of years ago. The story of the Y chromosome begins with its larger counterpart, the X chromosome. But around 300 million years ago, a fateful mutation occurred. This mutation led to the creation of the SRY gene, the master switch for male development. This gene residing on the Y chromosome became the defining factor in determining sex. Over millennia, the Y chromosome has been unable to repair errors effectively, leading to its gradual erosion. The Y chromosome is a fascinating paradox. It carries the blueprint for maleness, yet it is inherently fragile. This fragility stems from its genetic isolation and its inability to effectively repair errors. The Y chromosome has lost hundreds of genes since its divergence from the X chromosome. Research scientist, media. Research scientists discussing genetics, close-up of male fertility-related genes on a computer screen. While it still carries genes crucial for male fertility, its shrinking size has raised concerns among scientists. Some researchers believe that the Y chromosome will continue to shrink and may even disappear entirely in the distant future. This prospect, while seemingly far-fetched, has sparked intense debate and research. What would happen if the Y chromosome were to vanish? Would men go extinct? The answer, as we shall see, is not so simple. Nature, in its infinite wisdom, has conducted its own experiments on the disappearance of the Y chromosome. Take, for example, the spiny rat, a fascinating creature found in certain parts of Japan. These rodents have evolved to completely lose their Y chromosomes. This natural experiment shows evolution constantly adapting and finding new solutions. It suggests that even if the human Y chromosome were to disappear, it might not spell the end of men. The end of men? A glimpse into the future. The shrinking Y chromosome raises intriguing questions. Could its disappearance lead to the extinction of men?
The answer is not straightforward. Evolution might find alternative pathways. Just as the spiny rat evolved without the Y chromosome, humans might too.
Section 6. Professor Jenny Graves, a leading voice in Y chromosome research. Professor Jenny Graves, a distinguished geneticist, has been at the forefront of Y chromosome research for decades. Her work has provided invaluable insights into the evolution of sex chromosomes.
Professor Graves has argued that the Y chromosome is a genetic wasteland facing an uncertain future. However, she also acknowledges the remarkable resilience of evolution.
Just as life finds a way in the harshest of environments, so too might the human genome adapt.
Section 7. Beyond the Y, new ways to determine sex. The potential disappearance of the Y chromosome has prompted scientists to explore alternative ways to determine sex.
The answer, thankfully, is likely no. Nature has already provided us with a blueprint for sex determination beyond the Y chromosome. The Y chromosome is not the sole determinant of sex, even in humans today. Other genes on other chromosomes also play crucial roles in sex determination. Section 8. Challenges and opportunities in a world without the Y. The potential disappearance of the Y chromosome presents both challenges and opportunities. It raises concerns about male fertility and new genetic disorders. A decline in male fertility could have significant implications for human reproduction.
But it could also open new avenues for scientific exploration and medical advancement. Understanding sex determination without the Y chromosome could lead to breakthroughs in reproductive medicine. It could challenge our understanding of sex and gender, prompting a reevaluation of traditional classifications.
Section 9. Can science intervene? The ethics of genetic manipulation. As our understanding of genetics deepens, so too does our ability to manipulate it. This raises ethical questions about the potential for genetic intervention.
While such interventions might seem like science fiction today, they could become a reality in the not-so-distant future. However, they also raise profound ethical dilemmas. Should we interfere with the natural course of evolution?
Section 10. The future of human reproduction, a journey into the unknown. The shrinking Y chromosome is a stark reminder that evolution is an ongoing process, a journey into the unknown. What does the future hold for the Y chromosome in human reproduction? Will the Y chromosome continue to shrink and disappear? Will we evolve new ways to determine sex?
These questions are incredibly exciting. They remind us we're part of a vast, ever-changing universe.